Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum soup base. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves for that authentic aroma. Don't forget bird's eye chilies and fresh lime juice for the perfect balance of heat and tang. Finally, have your fish sauce and a good quality mushroom or chicken broth ready to create a delicious foundation for your soup. Now, let's prepare these wonderful aromatics. Take your lemongrass stalks and gently bruise them with the back of a knife. This helps release their essential oils. Next, slice your galangal into thin, coin-like rounds to maximize its flavor infusion. Lastly, tear your kaffir lime leaves a few times to really open up their bright, citrusy aroma. These steps are key for a fragrant base. With your aromatics ready, it's time to build the base. Pour about 2 cups of your chosen broth into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, carefully add in your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Let this mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows all those incredible flavors to meld and infuse into the broth, creating a rich foundation. Finally, let's perfect the flavor profile of your tom yum soup base. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. This adds a wonderful depth of umami. For that signature tang, incorporate 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. If you enjoy a kick, add 5 to 7 bird's eye chilies, adjusting to your preferred level of heat. Taste and adjust as needed for a truly balanced and vibrant base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.